Hi all, I've got Prada unboxing today. Obviously, this one I've got from a reseller because we don't have any Prada boutique around. And this particular item has been on my mind for months and months now. So I decided to go with it. It's now or never. Here is the Prada re-edition 2000. The Crystal Prada re-edition. It is in black. Initially, I didn't like this bag because it is so loud and so blingy, which is not my style at all. But the more I see it, the more I like it, especially in this colorway. It looks so versatile. Also, because I already got two of this re-edition in other color, the 2000 re-edition in beige, also the 2005 re-edition in Saviano in black color. Finally, I decided to get this one before it's too late because it's always sold out from any of my resellers around, and one day I just I'm gonna get it, and then I got one. I really like this kind of style at this moment because it is so easy to use and so versatile, also very light and practical for me. Here is my other re-edition bag in beige. It is in nylon. I love it so much. And I have a re-edition 2005 in Saviano, but my mom snatched it recently from me. She likes it very much, so I let her have mine, and she left me with this little pouch because she doesn't like this pouch. That is one of the reasons why I speed up my thinking of getting this one. So I only have one black re-edition in my collection. I don't want it to be too redundant. So here is the inside. It is lined in satin, and that is that Prada plug in there. Here is all the tag that comes with the bag. When I first saw this bag in real life, I was so happy because this bag is not so tacky looking or obnoxious as I thought it would be. It is in fact very beautiful in real life. It's more beautiful than I ever imagined. So I'm glad I finally got this one. Now I'm gonna show you what fits inside this one. Chanel mini case, Chanel card holder, Louis Vuitton key pouch. My phone, of course, it is a plus phone, 6.3 inches in length, fits easily. Hand cream, hand sanitizer, and last, my Sunnies in soft case. They all fit nicely inside. I think this bag would be more versatile than I think it would be. Let's see, I will start to wear this one as soon as possible. It is beautiful, and the bling is not, like I said, it's not tacky or obnoxious. So I'm happy with this one. That's all guys for my unboxing today. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again soon. Bye.